Hi, I'm Lisa Ramos. I'm the designer at MONOLISA, and I'm going to give you a quick peek at my studio in Clayton, California, where I design all of the MONOLISA handbags and also the sculpted jewelry pieces. So let's take a look. My studio is divided into sections. I have my computer area, and then over here I have an assembly area where I assemble different handbag and jewelry designs, and I also do a lot of edge painting. I also keep a lot of my handbag patterns on this rack. And then as we go into my jeweler's area, this is my jewelry bench where I do a lot of different designs for the jewelry collection, and I have quick access to my tools. And then in the corner you can see is a vacuum that collects all the dust when I'm doing drilling. And then over in this area, I have a cutting section where I'm cutting all my different leather goods during handbag production. And then in the corner is one industrial machine followed by my cylinder machine. And then some of my favorite tools, Berry King mallets and Maker's cabinet hand tools. This is my foil machine for stamping the MONOLISA logo in handbags. And then this is the area where I do hammering and rivet setting and also ring sizing. So that is a really quick overview of my studio. Thank you.